So three-tab shingles are typically considered 20-year roof system. And so the main difference is just how long that roof system is going to last. Your architectural shingles will typically last longer than that's where we have our lifetime system. So we expect to get 40 or 50 years out of the architectural shingles, and there isn't a three-tab on the market that can touch that type of longevity. You know, it's an interesting question. The cost difference between three tabs and architectural shingles has shrunk significantly. And I think that's more of a supply and demand thing than it is actual cost to produce. Typically, it would be cheaper to have the three-tab shingled system than an architectural shingle. And it could be a few $1,000s less for that type of system. But in the past few years, the price of the three-tab shingles has gone up, I think, because the manufacturers would prefer not to produce them and would just rather produce the other shingles because of the benefits and the supply and demand side of things. There's like insignificant savings even in going I wouldn't even consider a three-tab roof. Weather conditions or climate, if I'm being honest, I think when you get closer to the lower slope roofs, the three-tab I think can in some ways outperform those lower pitched areas, like the 312 pitch. Below a 4, which is getting pretty low pitched when you get into that. Anything at a 2 or lower, I would use a completely different system altogether. But I do like sometimes the way that the three tabs will perform around that 312 pitch over architectural, as far as water penetration and the amount of standing water that it'll allow, or at least low flowing because it's so low pitched.